Hey, what going? It's your boy KLEIN. And on today's video, I'll teach you how you can make money on your Twitter, how you can set it up step by step, how you can set your Bitcoin wallet and Ethereum wallet on your Twitter page so people can send you tip. I'll show you on this video step by step. If you want to know how to do that, make sure you watch the video to the end. And before we get into the video, click on the like button and the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. I'm KIDAAX aka Superstar Trap Boy. If you're interested in the video, let's get into the video right away.
KIDAAX clean. I'm in love with those ones that have me. Fuck those niggas, they're not jealous. I survive with my
You are welcome back. So the next thing I have to do is to click on edit profile. Before we go, this how it's gonna look like after when you add it in your settings. After when you add the monetization to your setting, can you see this money sign over here? That's when people can start sending you tip. And note, the money is not going to Twitter, it's going into the account you linked there. The username you drop is going to the place directly and not coming to Twitter at all. It's going to the third party, the app you using, payment app you're using. I hope you understand me. So the next thing you have to do is to click on edit profile. Can you see this? So, and you make sure your profile is in a make sure your profile is a professional profile. So if in case you've not switched into a professional profile, you have to switch into a professional profile first. Then you click on tips. Can you see it? Then you allow tips over here. Can you see that? Then over here you can now copy your Bitcoin address and paste it over here. If it's your Ethereum address, you can paste over here. If you have a Paga, Patron, Cheaper, or Barter, anyone you think is suitable for you, but I prefer Bitcoin and Ethereum, so I pasted my address, and that's just it, as simple as that. Then you then you come back, you click on this arrow back over here, then you click on save. Make sure you save it. Then you can get paid. Can you see this Bitcoin address, Ethereum address? Let's have to go about it. Anyone want to pay you into a Bitcoin address, you just have to click on your Bitcoin address. Anyone wants to pay you on Ethereum address, you just click on the Ethereum address, and you can get paid directly, just without doing any stress. It's as easy as that. If you find this very helpful, make sure you hit on the like button and hit on the red subscribe button. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you find the video very helpful, kindly consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed yet. Once again, I'm KIDAAX aka Superstar Trap Boy. Click on the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos next time. Until we meet in the next video. Peace.